Workshop Wednesday, everybody. You thought I forgot, huh? Maybe the enchiladas from last week had me locked down, but nope, I'm recovered and all is well. Been a busy day, life going on, lots of fun. Anyhow, I'm gonna teach you guys today about, I don't know if I'm gonna teach you anything. I'm gonna show you guys how to polish your silver with a real quick, easy way. Tarnish it, blacken it, antique it. That's kind of what we're gonna do. It's a way to show off the engraving and kind of highlight it afterwards. And so lots of questions happen every now and then. I got a real easy way to do it. So here we go, I'll show you. It's also a good way to polish up a bit or a pair of spurs that the silver, any of your silver that gets kind of dirty. This is a good way to highlight it after you've bought it too. So I can use it, and then customers, y'all can use it too whenever you're wanting to polish something up without getting it wet and dirty and all kinds of other stuff like that. So here you go, here we are. So the first thing I got, everybody see, is the magic wand here is a flash shiner. You see here the green is, it's got a green side and then it's got a white side. This is the coarse and it's about 13 thousandths grit, so it's gonna shine really good. Where you find these flash shiners is at the beauty salon. So guys, if you're a little apprehensive about going into the beauty supply to get you a fingernail file, I think you can get them on Amazon. That's where I got mine. I wasn't comfortable going in the store. Haha. But anyhow, so I got a used one here. I've been going a little while, and I got a piece of silver that I engraved 100 years ago. Something was laying around, and I tarnished part of it. The way I tarnished it is with Jack's silver blackener. Just dunk a little down. I just pour a little in a dish, get a Q-tip, rub it over here. First clean it real good, soap and water, and then just rub your acid on there, and then rinse it off in water, and voila, you got it black. But that's not pretty. So what we want to do now, look at that. Fast. Happens real fast. You just take this shiner, rub over the top of it. It's kind of wet, so the black is sticking. I'm still going. I couldn't talk. Man, did that engraving 100 years ago. But anyhow, so you can see the difference, I think. Let's see if I can work on the camera here a little bit. There we go. So you see right here, still shiny. This side in here, it's got all the black in it and highlighted up, and it doesn't hurt my engraving, doesn't do any damage to it, no buffing, nothing hard at all, no erasers, nothing to scratch the silver whatsoever. And you can see in the reflection there, it's really shiny. Easy peasy, man. Y'all can do this on your own stuff that's worn and used. If it's got dirt, grime on it like that, we'll wash it off with Dawn dish soap and water, scrub it real good with a soft brush, and then come back and highlight your silver with that flash shiner, and you'll be good to go. Hope all is well. I'm headed to Fort Worth in the morning. I'm gonna be at Brumbaugh Saturday, furniture store. We're gonna have a big fun time show and get in amongst the COVID and see if we can't survive. So hope all is well. If y'all are brave enough to come see me, I'll tell you a story. See you soon. Adios.